you've got it. Oh, you think you've got it. But God, you just don't get it if there's nothing at all. Whoa, 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 oh. We get together, oh, we get together. But separate's always better when there's feelings involved. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh. If what they say is nothing's forever, then what makes love? The exception, so why you? Are we so into life when we know we're not happy? Yeah.
Allez, à vous.
Allez, on crie.
Encore. Hey, yeah. Plus fort. Hey, yeah. Allez, plus fort, encore. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. On finit? Bravo!
Merci beaucoup. Alors pour la prochaine chanson, on a une chorégraphie. Alors la chorégraphie, il faut la faire tous ensemble. Si on la fait tous ensemble, ça peut être super. Vous allez voir, ça arrive aux 2 tiers de la chanson. Et il faut faire un mouvement, enfin ça s'appelle la prise du grizzly. Vous allez voir, on va le faire, nous aussi. Il faut le faire en même temps que nous, c'est le principe. Ok? Ok.
Bien.
Le ouais, bah vous allez voir.
C'était limite.
When I grow up, I wanna be a shepherd, walking for miles across the rivers, fighting with wolves with the fire I made, healing my sheep with my superpowers. From the dawn to the setting sun, looking at the shape of clouds, making sure the world keeps spinning, making sure that you're alright. When I grow up, I wanna be a shepherd, walking for miles across the rivers. Someday I know I may feel lonely, morning or day when the planet dies. Or from the dawn to the setting sun, looking at the shape of clouds, or making sure the world keeps spinning, making sure that you're alright, or making sure the world keeps spinning, or making sure that you're alright.
Ok, attention.
From the dawn to the setting sun, looking at the shape of clouds, making sure the world keeps spinning, making sure that you're alright. Oh, you're alright. You're alright. Making sure that you're alright.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Oh, c'était pas mal.
C'était pas trop mal. Applaudissez s'il vous plaît Olivier sur ukulélé.
Il a une ceinture Obama.
Présent. Monsieur, on l'aime.
By the meeting of the roads, I just fell to my knees, oh, and I knew I had to make a choice. It's a shame, he said, that I may never know how far I can sometimes go. How far I can sometimes